up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, guys, we will be doing Polargiest, as you can see on the screen right now. Polargiest is the third level of our series, and it's an awesome level. And yeah, I hope we can do this first try. And yeah, I do have the squid skin on since I have not been using it. And if this does show up slow, and when I posted this on my Instagram, someone was like, "Are you hacking because you made it slow so that you can do it easier?" And I'm like, no. It's because I'm using a laptop, guys. I know. Laptop. So, should be using a normal PC. False jumps, by the way. Alright, I'm going to focus on the level. So again, it's all about these little bouncer things, the circle ones. This part is a little bit tricky. You want to, the key is to fly up top here, and then you want to just go around those obstacles. Pretty easy to do. There's a corner right there. I'm not going to get it this level, guys, because I want to get this done as soon as possible. So if I can beat this first try. But yeah, I have a completely different Instagram account. If you guys want to go look at my Instagram, go follow me. It's awesome. I have 2 accounts. Okay, this part's about jumping again. Timing, like I said in my previous videos, is the key. Like right there, the timing was key. As you can see that bouncer jump right there, that blue thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys can go rewind the video back to that. Oh, I forgot you don't jump there. Alright, well, it's okay if you lost the streak, but 83% is not too shabby for our first try so far. And yeah, I like the squid skin. It's not a bad one. I'll do a video on how to get these skins. Pretty easy to do. But you first have to get 5 demon keys, which is how you get 500 orbs from, if you get 500 orbs, every 500 orbs you get a demon key, I'm pretty sure. So all I want to do is that. Sorry, my voice. And you can hear my clicks in the background again. Like I said on my back and track video that I did for you guys, this is not pre-recorded at all. This is live right now. And it's a little bit difficult, guys, but this one, Polargiest, took me not that many attempts, but I'm not gonna say a short amount. Alright, this is when we come up to the part where we don't jump. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so you don't want to jump there, guys. You just want to let it fall for you. Alright, we're going to get super close. And I'm pretty sure we should be done with the level, honestly. And that is Polargiest, guys. This is probably the most basic level. I can't really describe it that much to you guys. But hopefully you guys learned stuff from this video and all my previous videos. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new. And of course, like the video, because likes always appreciated. And subscribe, because like I said in my previous video, to subscribers, I will be doing a video with all the credits of the channels of the subscribers that are subscribed to me. And I will shout you guys out. And I will go subscribe to all of you guys. I promise that, guys. And I will see you guys in our next video, which will probably be dry out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.